great wizard in OzLand who can...
9 o'clock, everybody. That's the last part. Sound?
Turned it off about 5 seconds.
Yeah. It is gonna go for a while, probably.
That's good. Oh my gosh.
It's okay to imagine during a thing.
Alright, take 2 of this.
There's like a traffic jam.
Why's my foot so hot? I'm just waiting for a T-bone to happen right at that intersection.
Cops.
Woo!
I'll be sorry. I'm gonna give you a cue. Forgot to say
That
that.
horn scared me.
What is wrong with this?
Alright, that was pretty good. I like it.
See?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out or
I mean,
I don't know. Yeah.
yeah, see?
Good. Let's try one more time. That was pretty decent. Let's try it again.
Okay, this is the area right here.
So, toggle that.
Yeah.
Like this.
Good luck.
Okay.
And action.
Don't we all? Alright. Be real quiet back there. We're gonna roll real quick.
Texting someone about poop
I think this
advice.
looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Why is there no behind the scenes things happening right now? I'll try to
Hey, your hair smells good. What kind of conditioner do you use?
it's tea tree mint.
I smelled it once. It was nice.
That and dirt. Those are my conditioners.
Alright, you go ahead and get your hand in there. Now. It kind of worked, it was just the cotton.
That's a wrap.
Alright, who's got the coffee?
Here's a one.
Alright.
The coffee's behind you, Michael. Thank you.
Came out a lot faster than
Wow, that's
Oh, one job there. That's all you had to do.
Action.
Oh wait, that's you. That's you.
you.
That's you. Well, I don't think you're quite as dirty as me. I got about a month's worth on you, buddy.
Oh, it even worked perfect on this one.
Come on, let's watch it. That was amazing.
I have no idea what the top one looked like.